Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on our Telegram so you can get updates from us. Stay updated with us by following us on our Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So yesterday I did analysis for you guys. I told you guys that gold will definitely come up to tap this our resistance level. I told you guys, right? I told you guys that this is our resistance level and this is our support level, right? This is our resistance level and this is our support level, right? Market pushed up, it eventually came again, and market has gone up. What has market done? It has gone to tap on this our resistance level, which I told you guys it will happen. So if you've not watched the analysis for yesterday, you can go back, watch it to confirm. Now market has actually done that. With what I am seeing right now, right? A lot of people will be speculating a drop from here because okay, this is our resistance level, right? Okay, since market has already tapped this our resistance level, we should be expecting gold to drop from here. That is what a lot of people will be expecting. But I want you guys to be very careful at this level currently we are right now, because there is, I would say, 60% or 70% chance that gold is going to break above this resistance level to take out a lot of stop loss. A lot of traders are actually eyeing this place. This is exactly once market can tap a level of 4 5 times, there's every possibility that once it gets there to the for the fifth or sixth time, it will actually break above it. The reason is that it wants to take out everybody's stop loss. A lot of people will be stacking in on this sell, so markets will go up and push it up. So albeit personally, I will advise you that be very careful selling at this level. In short, you are likely to make more profits buying than selling. So you should be very, very careful. Or you'd rather just do not trade. You can wait for market to pull back first. When markets pull back, then you can go in again for the buy, because with what I'm seeing, market is likely to push up, break above the resistance level. Because when you take a look at your DXY or our USD index, you see that USD index or DXY is literally falling. So if it is falling, then anything against USD should actually go up. Now let's see if you can spot it here. You can see this is my long-term forecast on dollar index or USD DXY or USD index. My long-term forecast is that it will actually drop to the downside. So if that will happen, if it will play out, then of course, what do you expect? We should expect gold to actually go ahead and break above this resistance level. Reason why I'm advising you guys that be very careful, especially if you want to sell at this level. So there's likely possibility that it will break above this level. So just stay updated with us by following us on our Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.